Hello everybody, my name is Markus Seidel. I'm the academic director of the bachelor program Creative Computing. I'm a computer scientist and I'm especially interested in human-computer interfaces, and this is also the topic of our study program. The bachelor program Creative Computing is situated at the central point of the digital reality we are living in, at the interfaces between humans and computers. This is the point where it is decided whether an interactive product will be used well, will be perceived well, and in the study program you will be learning how to design such interfaces, how to program and implement such interfaces, and how to evaluate whether these interfaces work as intended. To create such human-computer interfaces, you need skills in 3 different disciplines. You need to be good in designing these interfaces in terms of their graphical appearance. You need to be very good in designing the user experience, the interactive part of these interfaces, and you also need technical skills to implement the interfaces. For all 3 areas, you will be trained in the study program. As Creative Computing is a bachelor program, it also gives you the chance to explore, to find out in which of the 3 skill sets required you can deepen your knowledge in a subsequent master program. The admission process for Creative Computing consists of 3 parts. The first part is something you already did or just in the process of doing. It's about your grades. So if you're an Austrian applicant, it's your mature exam, and for all the other countries, some school leaving examination. So this is the first part. The second part is a standardized computer test which measures your cognitive skills. And the third part is an interview. So we are talking with each applicant for 15 minutes to find out whether your idea for the study program is consistent with what we are planning to do, and also to find out your motivation. There's no need to prepare for the interview, so there's no knowledge test in the interview. This is important to know. The Bachelor Creative Computing is a full-time study program. Hence, we expect you to have time for studying from Monday to Friday. Of course, not in the holidays, because these are free. One thing I'd like to mention is that it's really difficult to work besides the study program. More than 10 hours a week, which is the classical student job, is not recommended and will most likely not work out. If you finish the bachelor program Creative Computing, you have a broad variety of job possibilities. The job market currently is very well for the graduates, and I mentioned the 3 skill sets that are required to create good interactive products, and the human-computer interfaces that are the central part of our study program. And alongside these 3 competencies, you can also find jobs. So if you're more graphically oriented, you may be working as a screen designer, you may be working as a user experience designer, combining the graphical skills and the interactive skills. You may be working as a front-end developer, which means that the programming language is specific for the front end, for the user interfaces, will be employed by you in your daily job. Or maybe you're even working as a full-stack developer, which means that you are programming full interactive system from the client side to the server side. If you're staying in Austria after your graduation, your typical employer will be small or medium enterprises, marketing agencies, IT companies. And I said it already, but it's really important to mention, In the moment, it is a very active job market, so it will be easy to find a job. The bachelor program Creative Computing is an international study program. The instruction language is English. Hence, you already have international peers and colleagues from the first day of your studies on. Currently, a third of the enrolled students are from abroad, are not from Austria. Besides that internationalization at home, we also have defined mobility windows for you to go out to the world to collect international experiences. One possibility is to make your compulsory internship outside of Austria. There are plenty of companies. And the other possibility is to make a study exchange in one of our numerous partner universities. There is a very structured program, the European Project Semester, where you can select 17 different universities to go to. And there's also like the classical Erasmus exchange, which allows you to visit several universities in Europe. So thank you for your attendance. I hope I could explain the bachelor program Creative Computing well. If not, there will also be a chance for questions. But anyway, I'm looking forward to your application and to talking to you in the admission process.